Welcome to Legal Bench 5, a channel where real courtroom cases are discussed in detail. Legal facts are carefully examined, and the process of justice is understood beyond the headlines.
I was.
You did what?
I huffed.
You were huffing. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
Why weren't you? Why were you lying to me when?
I panicked. I just panicked. And I'm so sorry. I'm really, really sorry.
Ma'am, how frequently are you doing this?
Um,
I mean, are you doing that every day?
sometimes.
I mean, you're going to end up dying from that.
Can you give me another chance today, please?
Is that what you're trying to do? Are
No,
you trying to kill yourself?
no, I'm sorry. I just,
Okay, but how long have you been doing this?
I don't know. I've tried it off and on for a year or so.
Have you thought that you might need to get into some type of treatment or something? Have you?
I need to.
But you haven't done that.
I guess I haven't had anything like this happen. I plan on getting in touch with.
Who are you going to get into? You don't even know.
Huh?
You don't even know who you're going to get into.
I will say Miss Fleming does go to therapy at Huron Valley Consultants.
Yeah.
As I've stated, we've been working on getting those medical records. I have reviewed some of those medical records. It indicates they do talk, and Miss Fleming's on methadone. We're still in the methadone program. So I do know, I will say that there are entries that they've had these types of conversations about her past use. So I think it's something that Miss Fleming knows that she deals with.
Yeah.
Have you told them that you're huffing?
No.
You
I know I have to. I
Sure.
plan on speaking to my counselor today.
When's the next time you see your therapist?
I can see him tomorrow morning.
Okay, so Miss Fleming, here's what you got to understand. For me, when you tell me that you have an appointment, when you tell me all these things, it becomes hard for me to believe whether or not you're telling me the truth.
I understand that.
And that's because I asked you a series of times when you were on Zoom.
I freaked out. I should have said the exact truth, and I'm so sorry, Joyce Simpson. Please give me a chance today, please.
Well, Miss Feltus, you want to say something?
I do, Your Honor. Miss APA Cook was able to review the YouTube footage, and we shared with Miss Fearing a screenshot that did show the defendant with the canister in her hand. I recognize that canister to be what I commonly refer to as dust off or computer cleaner, a type of compressed air. I'm very familiar with this drug, and I know that any time that you use it, it can cause instant death. This is a drug that is extremely dangerous, and the way that this is being ingested can lead to long-term issues as well as immediate death. The brain can die every time you do this. I think it's clear the defendant's very scared. I think it's clear that she wants to change. She wants to stop using. I really want to see her again, Your Honor. I'm very worried that we're not going to see her again. I truly, truly want the court to hear that this coming in from a place of compassion and concern, not a place of bond violation is coming from a place for the people of actual concern. We will not see her. I am requesting that the court consider bond change with a release to treatment for her to get some help. But I do know that my experience with this drug and all the education I have surrounding drugs in general leads me to believe this is an extremely risky behavior. I ask the court to consider a bond change.
Please, Your Honor, please.
I do know Miss Fleming does have a medical team around her. She sees her primary care doctor consistently. As I stated, she is in therapy. I think everyone's concern for Miss Fleming is warranted, especially the circumstances that this arose out of. I'm happy to work with her and get information to the people in the court if the court allows her to stay out of custody. Obviously, if she's in custody, that will take place too. I'm just asking that the court consider letting us work on that while she's out of custody.
Please.
She does have some medical issues that, and that's partially why she sees her doctor so consistently. This is an old retail fraud. I do, it's this case, I don't believe has anything to do with her use or anything like that. I just asked for a chance.
Might though, because if she's been using for off and on, as she's indicated, a year, this offense is in June of this year.
I mean, I don't know exactly how long I've been using it. It's been for some months now. I don't know if it's been a year exactly.
Okay, Miss Fleming, here's how I know you're an addict. You tell me one thing, and then when all of a sudden that doesn't seem like that goes your way, you change your story. You did that in rather rapid shot fashion when you were on Zoom.
I'm so sorry.
No, Miss Fleming, sometimes things happen for a reason, and not all of them we like what happens, but they happen for a reason. And maybe it also goes to what Miss Feltes said.
I think you're scaring me straight.
No, I don't think I have. Certainly not yet. But I'm going to let you know, if you think for 1 minute that I'm going to sit here when I know what I know at this point and have you die on my watch, and I haven't used what tools I have to try to make sure that you stay alive, you're sadly mistaken.
Please don't take me in today, Judge Simpson. Please, I'm begging you, please, please, everything in me, please. Please give me one more chance, please. Please, Judge Simpson.
And I will add, Your Honor, Ms. Fleming was honest with me when I spoke with her. I think she understands the reality of the situation.
Anything else you want to tell me?
Just that I'm going to tell you the truth from here on out. I swear on everything in me. I swear on everything in me, Judge Simpson. I swear on everything in me. And I voted for you.
Doing about the 65 other thousand, but thank you, I guess. You're not dying on my watch, not tonight.
I'm not going to die tonight, please.
I'm done listening. Listen to me now.
Okay.
You're not going to die on my watch. I can't trust you. I don't know what therapeutic routine you have, what you have surrounding you that I can safely let you out. Because whatever you're doing at this point, you do it, you go home and you're huffing.
I won't.
Yeah, I know. You're going to tell me I won't do it. You're going to tell me that all
please,
that stuff.
Judge Simpson, please.
Miss Fleming, I've heard it all before. And then the next thing I know, before we even get to your case again, guess what? I'm online reading about your obituary, and I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing it. If they can get the information, I'll take a look at it and I'll potentially reconsider. I'll set a review of her bond on December 22nd, 2005 at 9 o'clock. But at this time, her bond is revoked, defendant's remanded.
I'm arrested? Oh my God.
Get somebody down.
May I appear for Zoom? Vice for that.
Pardon? Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was going to say that.
Thank you.
Yes. That's not a normal